Hello guys, you're welcome to the Pro Traders Academy YouTube channel. My name is Uncle Klein. I'm a founder of Pro Traders Academy. I'm a forex trader and a senior mentor at the Pro Traders Academy, where we teach you forex trading the professional way. Now, in this series, we've been talking about the forex scams, the various scams that exist in the forex industry. There is a statistic that goes that 90% of people who get involved in the forex business lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. It's called the 90-90-90 rule. You don't hear this in every day or anywhere because a lot of people in this industry are actually out to take your money as a newbie, so they don't get to tell you the various ways you lose your money. But our aim at the Pro Traders Academy is to develop a community of professional traders who understand how to do this in the professional way. Because the truth is that the vast majority of people that lose money in this industry are the retail traders, the small guys. The big guys make all the money. Now, who are the big guys? We have the international banks, the investment banks, and of course the exchangers, and of course the brokers. All these people make money in this business day in, day out, month in, month out. Why is it that the small guy keep losing 90% of his money all the time? It's because of lack of education, lack of proper guidance and mentorship, and of course conflicting information all over the place. So what we have done in Pro Traders Academy is to build a system where we teach people the things that they don't hear or learn every day in the forex industry. Now, that's part of what this Forex Scam series is about. We're teaching you the things that you have to avoid, the scams in this industry, and reasons why people keep losing their money. Now, this one in the series is called Signal Providers. It's unfortunate that so many persons come into this industry with a mindset that they're going to be making money through signals. Everybody keep talking about signals, signals, signals. We get calls all the time at the Pro Traders Academy where people keep asking us, do you provide signals? Yes, we do provide signals, but that is not our major business. That's not our main aim. It's not our main target. We want to be able to teach you how to generate your own trading ideas as well. So you too can also be a signal provider if that's what you want to be. Now, you should be able to generate your own trade ideas, do your own analysis. And so many people are like, but I don't have the time. I just want to copy signals. Look, it's as good as saying that you don't have the time to go find your own food, but you just don't mind someone always giving you a plate of food whenever you're hungry. Now, for how long are you going to depend on that? Are you ever going to be able to raise a family with the food that someone gives you, with the fish that someone puts on your table or your hand whenever they feel like? It's not very advisable, guys. Don't depend on the signal providers, because these signal providers make money when they give you their signals, which you're paying for. And of course, they make you also sign up through their brokers, some of them actually. And then when you trade, they make money. When you lose also, they make money as long as you signed up through their broker. And then even if you don't sign up through their broker, if they can get at least 100 persons to pay them, even if it's $10 per month, 100 persons paying $10 per month, is that not $1,000? And they provide you with signals that you don't even know how accurate they are. Okay? And all they do is out of $1,000, they can use maybe $500 to do aggressive marketing for the next month, and people keep paying such an amount. And I know many of them charge as high as $50 to $100 a month to provide you with signals that you don't even know how to use. Now, why do we tell people to not rely on the signal business? That there is a tendency they can get scammed. Now, the signal provider, you don't know their experience, you don't know how good they are. They are not actually even trading the professional way, because many of them try to trade daily. Intraday trading. Intraday trading is not a very good way to sustain your capital in this business. It's more of scalping. That's what's happening in intraday trading. For me, intraday trading and scalping are just about the same thing. Any trade that you don't, stay on for at least 2 or 3 days, you are more or less trading like a newbie. A newbie would think that this business is what you come in and take money away from it every single day. No, 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 it's not possible. It's not like that. You are going to burn so much energy trying to do that, and you're going to end up not making consistent returns in this business long term. Forex is something you can do by the side, alongside any other thing you're doing in your life. And you should have another source of income which you also should rely on, because Forex is not something you can rely on full time as long as you're a beginner and your capital base is not really huge. All right. But if you have a large capital base and you're trading maybe 10% of $10,000, that's what you're hoping to earn maybe a month or a week. I think that's reasonable, and it can actually sustain you. 10% of $10,000 is about $1,000. I mean, if you're targeting to make that a month or in a week, I think you're still good to go in an economy like that, the one we are in, Nigerian economy, anyways. Why are we saying that you shouldn't rely on signals? The truth is that the signal business was first introduced by brokers because brokers need you to trade every single day. When you trade, they make money through commissions, and of course, when you lose, they also make money either ways. They make money through spread, commissions, and all that. The signals they provide you make you trade every single day, and you who don't know how to trade, trust me, many a times you're going to misfire. You're going to misfire with the signal business. So don't rely on signal businesses. That's one major way you can lose your money. And that's another way that will make you just give up on this business of trading because you are not going to be able to stay sustained in this industry with signals. You're not going to be sustained profitably with the signals someone else is providing. So don't rely on the whole signal business. And sometimes they tell you can be getting the signals, making money while you're learning. Truth is, it's very hard to actually learn when your focus is to make money. Once your mind and your emotion is driven towards your money that you put in to make money, you're going to disconnect from the learning. This business is a psychological business. It goes with your emotions, and you need to be able to take that emotion away from the money you're trying to make and put it into the learning, all right? So that you have full concentration and focus on the learning. You're supposed to be doing demo for an extensive period of time, maybe a couple of months, 2-3 months or so, before you start trading live money, where you're using your own trade ideas, not someone else's signals. Signals are supposed to be trade ideas that will help you in your own ideas, not necessarily something you have to rely on and make money. So the signal provider will always make money, and you might end up losing money long term. In 90 days, you would have given up because why? You were relying on signals alone, and you'll be feeling like you've been scammed. Well, the truth is that you actually scammed yourself if you have refused to learn. Find a mentor. Find a training provider. Let them give you the real mentorship and coaching you need in the Forex market. The Purchaser Academy is here to give you that. We're here to support you. Our trainers and traders are professional. We've been doing this long time, and we have coached so many persons who are able to go out and trade by themselves confidently. And remember, when you're trading by yourself, your confidence level is boosted every single day. Every time you go into a trade, your confidence level is boosted. So when you're taking signals from people, you're not going to be a sustained trader or someone who understands what they are doing. Trust me, the signal business is not the way to go. It's more or less profitable to the guy who's providing it, and of course to the brokers. But you, the small guy, the signal business is not the way to go. So the signal businesses, I completely disagree that that's the way to go. Stay away from signal businesses, especially if you are the type that says, I don't have time to learn. Then stay away from Forex completely. It's not for you. It's not for everybody. It's only for those who are serious and committed and want to really learn. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Uncle Klein. I'm with the Pro Traders Academy. I'm glad to have shared this nugget with you, and I hope you find some value in it. Feel free to subscribe, and please drop a comment below if you have a question so that we can relate back to you and tell you more about what we do at Pro Traders Academy. We hope to see you at the top. Cheers.